Hey everyone, welcome back to Creative Book Club. I hope you had a chance to read book 10, When the World Tips Over. I really enjoyed this book. I thought it'd be super cute to do a little terrarium. This is a layered terrarium. So I'm going to start off with some aquarium sand, and then I'm going to nestle in one of the little small pots that similar to what I'd used when we made the sand art terrariums. Just kind of nestle one in there. There's a little tissue inside of it to catch anything that might fall in the center. But I'm just going to work it down into the bottom glass there. Use a little chopstick to hold it down. I'm going to put the kind of recipe, I guess, for this layered terrarium in the descriptions. Super easy and lots of fun to do with your friends if you get a chance to gather around to talk about the book. You can also make these little cute terrariums. As I had said, start off with some aquarium sand, and then this is fire glass. I'm just putting, I think it was three scoops of fire glass. Oh, apparently 4 scoops of fire glass around our little pot there. And the scooper I'm using is a Chinese soup spoon. Got on Amazon. I'll put, like I said, I'll put all the links in the descriptions. This is a bit of charcoal that's going to keep the terrarium from kind of getting moldy itself if you happen to spill water over into the sides. So just put a little bit of charcoal on there, and then you go back to aquarium stone. So as you're gathering stuff for this, you'll just spend a lot of time in the pet store. No, I think I did get most of this at Myers for the aquarium rock and sand. And then I'm going to pull out the center. It's going to grab anything that might have tumbled over. And then that way my little container is all nice and clear, and I can drop my little succulent inside there. And then I'm going to take some moss, and this is really cool stuff because it's not alive. This is actually like a chenille, like if you had a shirt that came unraveled. It's kind of like a little shredded cloth type of thing, but it's really cool because it looks just like actual moss, and it's super velcro-y though. But you don't have to worry about that spreading or creating any kind of mold within your terrarium. So that I did get on Amazon, and I'll make sure that link is in there too. And I have some cute little doodads, little mushrooms poke in there. You can add some larger river walks. River rocks, um, or little beads or gems, whatever you want to put in there. And then you just need a little bit of water. Keep these little succulents alive. My one lost his little top there, but he's going to be okay. He'll make it. And then there you go. We got cute little terrariums as the book club craft, or when the world tips over.